Let me take you to the courts. Now, the criminal jurisdiction of the High Court in Accra has acquitted and discharged Oliver Barker-Vormawor, a social activist who was standing trial for treason. Mr. Barker-Vormawor was charged with treason in 2022 when he was picked by national security operatives by threatening a coup if Parliament went ahead to pass a controversial e-levy bill. His detention and the charges leveled against him sparked widespread public debate and condemnation from civil society groups amid concern over free speech in Ghana. Now, legal affairs correspondent Lateef Idrisu joins us with updates. Lateef, when did this happen and what has been his reaction so far?
Well, let me first. So this official discharge of Oliver Barker-Vormawor happened about 25 minutes ago here at the High Court. But I must say that the accused person himself and his legal team were not present in court when the case was called. And in fact, they've not been seen here at the court premises or anywhere close to the court. So they didn't show up, but because a nolle prosequi has been officially been given by the Attorney General, Dominic Ayine, the judge went ahead to discharge the accused. This whole thing we all know started back in 2022 when Oliver Barker-Vormawor was arrested at the Kotoka International Airport upon his arrival from the United Kingdom. And like you said in your intro, he had made some comments on social media about staging a coup if e-levy was passed. We all know e-levy subsequently was passed. He was taken to the Shaman District Court where he was denied bail and then transferred to this particular court. Now today, what was expected to have happened here was that the trial judge was to oversee the empaneling of the juror that would have overseen the trial itself proper.
Right.
So that was what was slated for today. But then we all know what had happened with the amnesty that has been granted by the new Attorney General. And Oliver Barker-Vormawor is one of the few individuals who has benefited from the amnesty of the Attorney General. In fact, he has benefited twice from the Democracy Hub protest. He benefited, and today he's become yet again another beneficiary of the amnesty of the Attorney General. He is today walking free. And
was he in
brings
court?
to an end a trial that has traveled for a little over 2 years since his arrest at the Kotoka International Airport.
But you can confirm that he wasn't in court, despite his legal representatives as well not in court. He himself was not in court as well.
Yes, Oliver Barker-Vormawor was not in court, but we saw some individuals who belong to the Democracy Hub group. They showed up in court just some few hours before the case was called. And then even before the case was called, they also moved away. I'm sure they got a signal from somewhere that maybe Oliver wasn't going to show up in court. So they also made their way back to their various businesses, if you like.
Lateef, thank you for that update. Away from